My science experiment for this physical science is called turning salt water into fresh water. And this is a first grade science experiment. In this experiment, the students will learn about how to change salt water to fresh water. They'll also learn about all the issues that we have going on in our world today and why fresh water is so scarce for some places around the world. To start with, these are all of our tools that we're going to need. We need cling it or some kind of wrap that's sturdy and strong. You need salt, measuring cup, some kind of small coffee cup or glass jar, a mixing spoon, measuring spoons to measure out the salt, a small rock, and your mixing bowl. First thing you're going to do is you're going to measure out 3 cups of water. Next thing you're going to do is add a tablespoon of salt. You're going to mix until it is completely dissolved. Then you're going to add in straight down the middle, making sure that no salt water gets into it. You're going to put your small glass on the inside. Then you're going to take your cling it wrap. You want to make a piece that's big enough to fit over the top of the whole jar. You're going to seal it real tight around the sides. You don't want any of the air or water to escape. Then you're going to take your rock that you have and place it directly in the middle so that it pulls in everything to where your glass is. The point of this is because once the water gets evaporated, because you're going to take this whole bowl and stick it outside in the sun, which I've done earlier today, and I'm going to show you pictures now. I set it outside. You want to make sure you set it outside. It's going to be completely sunny outside. If there's clouds, it doesn't work because the water doesn't evaporate the way it's supposed to. I set it outside, let it evaporate for several hours, and then I was able to see where the water got into the smaller jar because it condensated up. The salt was left at the bottom, and then it went into the jar. The students will have fun with this activity. It's an easy one to do inside the classroom with a whole group or even a homework assignment with parents. This activity allows the students to really think outside the box and show them that while we may be drinking bottled water around here and paying for it, a lot of places don't even have clean water that they can bathe in or that they can drink the way that we do. It's a great way to tie into social studies and history as well.